The TOPS pendulum verifies that the pedicle screw's trajectory conforms to the polyaxial range of the TOPS screws, ensuring proper connection to the four arms of the TOPS motion implant. Why does this matter? The proper function of the TOPS system depends on securely connecting the four TOPS arms to the four screw tulips. If the pendulum is not used, the screw's insertion trajectory may exceed the polyaxiality and the rods may not seat properly in the tulips. When the rods are not fully seated in the tulip, the set screws cannot optimally engage the rods. This could allow the rods to rotate in the tulips, leading to a misaligned implant that functions asymmetrically, undermining the articulation mechanics of the device and accelerating wear. To conclude, using the pendulum is mandatory. Skipping this step may compromise implant alignment and shorten the TOPS motion implant's lifespan.